Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this reindeer applique. Part 2 link is given in description. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. Okay, after that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, after we are done with 3 chain crochet stitches, now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Then we make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, now we get a small ring, tiny ring. See this. Now we are making stitches around that ring. So now we will yarn over, insert a needle inside that ring, grab the yarn and pull through, and now we make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, again we yarn over, insert the needle inside the ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. We are done with 2 half double crochet stitches. Again we make a third half double crochet stitch. So yarn over, insert the needle, grab the yarn and make a half double crochet stitch. Now after 3 half double crochet stitches we make a double crochet stitch in similar manner. Okay, now see, this is a set of 3 half double crochet stitches followed by a double crochet stitch. So we have to repeat this pattern 2 more times. Okay, so again we make 3 half double crochet stitches followed by a double crochet stitch. Now a double crochet stitch. So this is the second set we have complete. Again we repeat it 1 more time. So in total we are repeating this set 3 times. Okay, 3 half double crochet stitches followed by a double crochet stitch. And when we are done with this, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get a small foundation triangle on which our rest of the design depends. Now see, here we have completed with a first round, or first triangle round. Now we go for the second round. Before that we place marker on each double crochet stitch we have made. Okay, and pull this free end yarn so that middle gap is like packed completely and there is no free space now. Okay, as we are making a triangle without any gaps. Now for second round, wherever we have placed a marker in every double crochet stitch, for every double crochet stitch we will make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, just remember, for every double crochet stitch we will make 3 double crochet stitches in that one stitch itself, and rest all the stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, rest all stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch, and only whenever that double crochet stitch come, in that double crochet stitch, one stitch itself we will make 3 double crochet stitches. And while making those 3 double crochet stitches we will put a marker in second number double crochet stitch. Okay, so like 3 times we will be making 3 double crochet stitches in one stitch, that is a double crochet stitch. So please place a marker in second or middle double crochet stitch in all 3 corners. And when we are done with this, at last we will join it with the first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So our second round is complete now. Now for third round, see we have completed the second round. Now for third round, wherever we have placed that marker on every middle double crochet stitch, only in that middle double crochet stitch we will make 3 double crochet stitches in that one single stitch. Okay, and rest all stitches again we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Only now in fact now this pattern is going to follow for all rounds. We are going to repeat this pattern for all rounds. In every middle double crochet stitch, in second number stitch, in second number double crochet stitch, wherever we place a marker in 3 corners, in middle double crochet stitch we will make 3 double crochet stitches in that one stitch itself, and rest all stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So for every corner, wherever that middle double crochet stitch comes, in that middle double crochet stitch we will make 3 double crochet stitches in that one stitch itself, and rest all stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Then again we go to the next corner, there middle double crochet stitch come, on that middle double crochet stitch we'll make again 3 double crochet stitches. Now this pattern we are going to repeat all over the triangle as big as you want to make. Okay, as big as the structure you want to make. Same pattern is being followed for all the rounds, and at last just join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So I'll make some more rounds and show you. Now for last round we are going to make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around. Okay, that is the last round. For last round, 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. So I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. We will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot we will make 30 chain crochet stitches. Now see, we are done with it. Now we will skip 4 stitches after current loop on the needle. Okay, and from 5th stitch, okay, from 5th stitch we are going to start making double crochet stitches, 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. See, 1 2 3 4. We are going to skip these 4 stitches, and from 5th stitch we will start making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch for coming 10 stitches. I'll just complete those 10 double crochet stitches and I'll show you. Here we are almost done with the stitches. Now make 15 chain crochet stitches. Here we are done with the 15 stitches. After 15 stitches, we will again skip 4 stitches after the current loop on the needle, and from 5th stitch we will start making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay. We made 15 chain crochet stitches. After 15 stitches, we skipped 4 stitches after the current loop on the needle, and from 5th stitch we started making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So that we are going to do for from 5th stitch till 14th stitch. In 15th stitch we will do it differently. So till only 14th stitch, from 5th to 14th stitch we have to make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Here we are done with our 14 stitches. Okay, in 15th stitch we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. Okay, in 15th stitch we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. See, here we are done with 5 double crochet stitches. Now we join the chain crochet stitch from where we started, and with a slip stitch, and from there again we start to make 15 chain crochet stitches. Then again we will skip 4 stitches from after current loop on the needle, and from 5th stitch we will start making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Till 14th stitch we have to go on making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch, only from 5th stitch to 14th stitch. Okay, and again in 15th stitch like we did earlier. So again in 15th stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. In 15th stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches. See, here in 15th stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches in this one stitch itself. So this is how the structure is going to be, but still we are left with chain crochet stitches. So for rest of the chain crochet stitches our pattern is going to be 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch till first crochet stitch we made. Okay, see, we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch for all the rest of the chain crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. So this is how our antler is going to look like. Okay, still we are supposed to do 2 more steps. Okay, now we will just make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. Okay, now we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch all along the antler. One single crochet stitch in each single stitch all along the antler. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, this is the way we are going to go. So like we can take a complete round till here. Okay, I'll just complete this and show you. Now when we are done with one single crochet stitch in each single stitch, that whole round, now again we make a chain crochet stitch and now we turn our work. Now this is the last step. We will make one slip stitch in each single stitch, the same way we made one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now same way we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch all along the antler, and done. This is a final piece. So you have, following same pattern, you have to make one more antler. Okay, and while putting those placing those antlers on that reindeer face, you need to make them face uh, mirror images of each other. Okay, so then they look good. I'll show you final piece also. So these are like antlers for reindeer, deer. So this is how both antlers will look like. Tutorial video for ear, eyes and red nose you will get in part 2, and link for that video is already given in description. You can refer that video for rest of the tutorial. And if you have liked this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot. And if you have not subscribed, I would request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, and many tutorials are already there on my channel. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.